Hey, my name's Luke. About recently, I guess probably a year ago now, I picked up a drone for myself, and ever since I've been traveling Newfoundland, just checking out scenery and local areas, making videos, posting them online, and I guess some of them, they don't receive much traction or anything, but I got a lot of friends and family who say they wish they'd seen more of it. My videos are probably too short. I'm not inclusive of much of the rest of my trip, just the actual flights I do. So this video here is going to be an attempt to include all that into a bit lengthier of a video, like the full trip, I guess, from head to toe, like the experience in it. So I guess I'll put it together here. So today me and my buddy Simon are driving out from central Newfoundland up towards Merritt's Harbour. There's an iceberg there, so we're going to check that out. I've been following a page on Facebook, Newfoundland Icebergs Reports. It got roughly 40,000 followers, or likes, however pages on Facebook work. Anyways, so it's fairly easy nowadays to actually track the icebergs, see where they're to and what's on the go with them if they're still in certain locations. So before you go anywhere and have to spend any money on gas and travel costs, you can check it right away, see where the icebergs are to, and I guess confirm their locations and whatnot, size, all that. So we're going to be driving out this afternoon. Hopefully we'll be out there around sunset and maybe blue hour. We'll see about that. But the main goal here is to get some video footage with the drone. We'll put that up in the sky, maybe get some photographs, just explore the thing. I mean, not every location has icebergs. That's one thing I definitely, for the most part of my life, I took for granted. But lately it's become a bit of a minor obsession just to check out all these icebergs and explore what's on the go. So yeah, I guess we'll get to it. Alright, so we're here at Merritt's Harbour now. We'll grab the gear out of the car, and looks like we're gonna have to hike out along the sides and head out to the berg. Simon's here with me, and we're gonna get going. Alright, quick update. We got some photos done, put the drone up once. It turns out where the iceberg's to, it's off of two islands. So I don't think we'll be able to get very close to it, but we'll get as close as we can, probably up here on this leftmost peak. And yeah, we'll keep you tuned. Before we make that hike up the hill, we just stopped at Mary Brown's here right quick. And we got our meals. We're gonna get some food in us and hike up the hill. We're here now at the spot, just hopping out of the car, and we're gonna start the hike up the hill. We'll take you along. We made it here now, by the shore. Looks like the iceberg's out past that island there. There's a bit of water we gotta float on out through. We'll grab a little flat bottom boat and sail out. Alright, we got the boat loaded up and some makeshift paddles for the short ride across the water. Not too far.
Time for a little running, don't worry.
Yeah, here we go. After you.
Oh my. If I goes in. Hurry up before we got this is where we see if it sinks or not. Well, let's get there.
I think we're in. Alright. Alright, plan B, the little dory, she's taking on a bit of water. You see down there? We're scratching that idea. Looks like we're gonna have to fly up from here. We'll get as close as we can though. We can take the drone out, head it on over there. Have a look from the sky. We got a new plan since the two boats failed. They don't look too promising. I think they're both going to take on water if we did go across. So we're gonna travel along the coast here where Simon's headed, and we're gonna hopefully see around this hill and be able to catch the berg. So let's go. There we go. There's the tip. Not sure if you can see that through this, but we'll get eyes up in the sky anyway. Camera here. Just grabbing some shots. Summon over on the hill. See what we can do. We're here now, setting up to fly the drone. A drone just went across, so we're gonna have to wait, but there's also a plane in the sky, so by rights the drone probably came down out of it, and we're just waiting for the plane to clue up. We'll get in the sky. Apparently this oceanfront's a busy spot today. Looks like the plane's on its way out. Alright, we're set up. The plane's gone. We're gonna put the drone up there now, and Simon's gonna watch, be my eyes on the drone from the outside as I'm in the goggles. So we'll put it up and the video will follow after this. Just back from flying over to the Iceberg out there. Now we're just packing up, getting ready to head back into the car. We gotta hike over that hill behind us, head back in, but before we do, we must carve our adventure along, just in the drone book there, or drone book bag. Everything gets carved into it wherever we end up flying the drone, so that's what we're up to now. Leaving the spot, we're hitting the road, starting to hike out of here. Hopefully we'll get out before it gets too dark. See you there. Off we go. Back in the car here now, about to hit the road, head back towards Central. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the videos, and let me know if you want to see more.